Moto Guzzi, and what else? I own a Triumph Street Triple. What's up, guys? It's a wonderful day and a wonderful ride. Oh, look at the side, man. It looks so promising, man. I'm just loving it. And what a day to start. It's 7:48 in the morning. Actually, I've started a little bit late, and thought before the lockdown hits us again, I thought let's take Echo for a long distance ride. So today I'm heading towards Mumbai. Now this is gonna be the first long ride that I'm doing on my Street Triple. Honestly, from my place to Mumbai is approximately 148 kilometers, and I'll be going now and I'll be heading back in the evening, so approximately around 350 kilometers in a stretch. So let's hope this is the beginning of my upcoming journeys that I'll be taking on the beast. So right now it's 2,381 kilometers on my odometer, and just 4 kilometers from my home now, and I'm heading, hoping the weather would be pleasing as well, because as of right now it's good if it doesn't rain. We have a lot of clouds over us, hoping it doesn't rain, because I hate when it rains, and to ride a beast you can't. so let's just enjoy and have fun on the small road trip to Mumbai. Look at that top hill, man. It looks crazy. Oh my god, it's pouring. Not exactly pouring, but it's drizzling. Oh my goodness, I hate this, man. My goodness, it'll be very difficult for me to record because my GoPro is not waterproof. And it's raining, man. I will be drenched. I have to get my oh shucks, man. I have to get my GoPro and everything back. Shucks, man. It's raining. This is gonna be a painless one, man. Okay, bad luck. So hey guys, it's another day, and as you can see, Echo is really dirty after the Mumbai ride. It's another day. Yesterday I couldn't vlog. First thing first, it was raining and I was super tired. Also, I did not get a chance to wash the bike. The most important thing is that I wanted to vlog. I wanted to share my experience about this bike, taking it around 350 kilometers at a stretch, like coming and going in total. Wanted to share you how the bike felt and how it is, but couldn't get the chance. So I'll wash the bike and we'll get back to you in a moment. So finally guys, the bike washing has been done. As you saw, I tried to clear out all the dirt and the mud from the bike, but it requires a proper wash, which is not so suitable to be done over here. So talking about the ride yesterday, it was flawless. I really loved it, the way the bike performed. I've just clocked 2,500 kilometers approximately so far. So as you know, I started off at 2,300 kilometers, and honestly speaking, the rainy condition, the bad weather, I was cruising at 50 kilometers per hour, and while heading back from Mumbai, approximately 60-70, I did not feel a bit of fatigue while shifting gear, as well as when it comes to acceleration. The bike performed really flawless. Now this is what Triumph is all about, and honestly speaking, I have ridden a lot of bikes in the rainy conditions, and sometimes or the other I used to experience some kind of a lag, maybe the engine, or maybe with the gear shifting, or with the brakes, or with the ergonomics, the riding posture. But riding like a beast like this, even I thought it will be a fatigue, but to be honest, I did not have a pinch of it, and that made me so confident to ride all the time. This was one of the best experience, and now I am really confident that this bike, I can take it for a longer stretch and to a longer distance
where this engine will perform absolutely fine, like a butter. Like, it's so smooth that you don't feel the pain. Now this is what Triumph is all about. That's the reason why I chose Triumph over any other manufacturer, and this is like one of the best things that ever happened to me. Even in the ghats section in Lonavala, the twist and turn, I was a little bit scared. I'm actually scared riding any bike, not just this bike, any bike in the rainy season. I thought of that I will have some kind of a difficulties riding it when it comes to the braking, the Brembo brakes on this, and the Pirelli tires that I have over here, the road tires. And also the main thing, the ABS. These three things, when they got combined together and they started communicating with each other, that made me so confident going through the ghats and accelerating down, and also while climbing up the ghat. It made me so confident, and that's the reason why this bike has all the electronics functions in such a good way that it actually speaks to each other and communicates so flawless that it makes the rider confident even at the corners or at a maximum speed. And that's what this bike is so good at. The electronics are fantastic. So the whole summary is that you can take this bike on any weather conditions, and I somewhat believe to a certain terrain, like apart from the off-road, and you will enjoy it and you will not have any kind of fatigue. So I will definitely be sharing more reviews about the bike, and we know that we are in India, so we have all different kind of terrains and all the different kind of weather conditions. So I know she'll behave really flawless. So keep watching to my channel, and please do subscribe, hit the like button. You can follow me on Instagram as well, that is R_NISHI7. And thank you all for subscribing. Keep sharing your love. You can share your comments, ask me any questions if you can. I'll love to reply you back. I've seen a lot of people asking me, I really appreciate it. And please do let me know if you have any opinions for me while shooting my blog. I've just started all these things and wanted to share you my experience with the Beast and the other vehicle and with the adventure life. Take care, be safe, ride safe. Love you all. Bye-bye.